Healthy orange health information. Shedding a few pounds quickly is a challenge. It's common knowledge that making significant changes to one's way of life is necessary for sustained weight loss. We are also told that to lose weight we need to eat healthier and work out regularly. Well, it's true. And in this video, we rank the best foods for women to eat when they're dieting. And before we start, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. It is not surprising that what you eat has a direct correlation with your entire mood. If you consume less calories than you burn and consume fewer calories than you burn, then you will lose weight. In addition, you will have more energy, fewer health issues, and improved mental wellness. You've come to the right place if you want to know what foods can aid in fat loss. The top 18 fat-burning foods for women are counted down in this video, so be sure to watch all the way to the end. Because, following listing the best fat-burning foods, we'll provide a list of foods to avoid at all costs while attempting to reduce body fat. Number 18. Citrus fruits. According to a 2016 study conducted by the American Chemical Society, obesity-related heart disease, diabetes, and liver disease can all be avoided by eating citrus fruits. Adding citrus to your water is one method to get more citrus into your diet. Number 17. Walnuts. We've known for a while that nuts are healthy, but now we have a better idea of which kinds are best. Walnuts, in particular, contain a component that can satiate your hunger and make you feel fuller for longer, according to a study published in the journal Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism. Number 16. Popcorn. According to a study conducted at the University of Scranton, popcorn contains a high concentration of polyphenols, which have been linked to a variety of beneficial health impacts, including improved digestion and blood circulation. Popcorn that has been popped and to which no salt, butter, or oil has been added may be an excellent and healthful snack that also aids in weight loss. Number 15. Berries. In 2016, researchers at Harvard University showed that consuming more berries, like blueberries and strawberries, can aid in long-term weight loss. One possible explanation is that berries' high flavonoid content aids in weight reduction. Number 14. Whole grains. According to research conducted at Tufts University, those who consume 3 or more daily servings of whole grains like oatmeal had 10% less belly fat than those who had a same amount of refined carbohydrates. They claim that this is because whole grains have more fiber, which makes you feel full for a longer period of time. Number 13. Avocados. There are several ways in which avocados can aid in weight loss, as documented in a study published in Internal Medicine Review. Due to their high nutrient content, which includes fiber, good fats, vitamins E and C, folate, magnesium, copper, and potassium, avocados aid in weight loss. Number 12. Cayenne pepper. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition performed a study that found that daily consumption of one of the compounds found in pepper speeds up abdominal fat loss. This effect is achieved via improving the body's use of nutrients. Spice up your next meal, whether it's meat or vegetables, with a dash of cayenne pepper. Number 11. Salmon. Salmon aids the body in converting white fat cells into beige cells, which are more efficient at burning fat, according to a study published in 2015 by researchers from Kyoto University. When combined with a regular exercise program, salmon can aid in muscular growth. It also contains healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids, which promote weight loss. Number 10. Cinnamon. A University of Michigan study found that cinnamaldehyde, an essential oil found in cinnamon, may increase thermogenesis, a metabolic process that helps burn calories and produce heat. So, sprinkle some cinnamon on your breakfast cereal to use stored fat for fuel. Number 9. Apples and pears. The findings of a study conducted by the State University of Rio de Janeiro were published in 2003 and made available through the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Concerning the link between eating apples and pears and dropping pounds. After 12 weeks, women who took a fruit supplement in addition to their regular diet of apples, pears, or oatmeal cookies lost more weight and experienced a bigger fall in blood glucose than those who ate the cookies. Number 8. Chicken. A study published in the medical journal Obesity in 2013 indicated that increasing dietary protein reduces total body fat and abdominal fat, while also helping to enhance lean body mass and your body's energy expenditure during periods of weight maintenance and weight loss. Number 7. Spinach. A study done by the journal Hormones states that eating 3 cups of spinach a week can speed up weight loss by 10%. Reports suggest that poet acid, a molecule that prevents sugar from entering blood cells, is abundant in spinach. Consequently, the sugar is converted into usable energy rather than being stored as fat. Number 6. Whey protein. According to research published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, whey protein supplements promote weight loss and muscle gain. In the study, those who took the whey protein supplement Pro Libra had a 6.1% reduction in body fat. Number 5. Eggs. In 2018, the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, circa SIRO, published a report stating that consuming extra protein at breakfast can aid in fat loss. Consuming 25 grams of protein with breakfast has been shown to increase metabolic rate and decrease food cravings throughout the morning. Breakfast eggs are a great source of protein and can be prepared in a variety of ways to keep things interesting. Number 4. Milk. According to a study conducted by McMaster University in 2007, consuming milk will help you burn fat. There were two groups in the study. One group consumed conventional milk, while the other consumed soy milk. The group that consumed milk gained an estimated 40% or 2 pounds and 50 pence more muscle mass than the group that consumed soy beverages. Number 3. Beans. Building muscle is crucial since it aids in fat burning. Beans offer healthy plant-based proteins that will keep you fuller for longer, and a study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine journal found that eating more beans improved blood sugar control and lowered heart disease risk for people with type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Purple sweet potatoes. According to a review published in the Biomedical and Environmental Sciences, sweet potatoes are high in resistant starch, which aids in the prevention of obesity. Number 1. Mustard. If you enjoy cooking or using mustard as a condiment, you are in for some good news. According to researchers at Oxford Brookes University, eating mustard can boost metabolic rate by 20%. You may eat as much mustard as you like without worrying about exceeding your calorie intake for the day because it has no calories. Now that you are aware of the types of foods that aid in weight loss, you can begin to incorporate them into your diet. Here are 3 foods you should absolutely avoid if you want to lose weight. Number 3. Sugary drinks. When trying to shed pounds, beverages like soda and fruit juice should be avoided at all costs. These beverages typically include a lot of sugar but no nutritional value. Instead of getting your calories from beverages, why not get them from food? The Boston Public Health Commission recommends cutting out sugary drinks if you're trying to lose weight, keep it off, or prevent health problems like diabetes, heart disease, or gout. Number 2. Fast food. Fast food is notorious for having a high calorie content, which can contribute to weight gain, obesity, and other health issues down the road like breathing and heart problems. There is a lot of sugar and trans fat in most fast food items. In addition, they have sodium, which health sources claim might increase blood pressure and strain your cardiovascular system. Number 1. Alcohol. According to the Foundation for Alcohol Research and Education, not only is alcohol full of empty calories, but it also stops your body from burning fat and can make you feel hungry. Overeating is just one of the numerous negative health outcomes associated with alcohol consumption. Others include hypertension, insulin resistance, liver disease, and more. In other words, you should stay far away from it. So, now that you know what to eat and what not to eat while dieting, what are some of your favorite diet-friendly foods? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.